guys, it's been a while. It feels very strange vlogging, but it's been a long time since you've seen us. The channel's been very quiet, only because obviously due to COVID and everything, we haven't been able to obviously travel and stuff, and yeah. But it is pre-travel day, so that only means one thing. We are going back to Orlando. It's a surreal feeling. This trip has been moved and changed so many times. We never thought we'd actually be going back, but we are. So yeah, it's pre-travel day. We are very excited. Still a bit surreal. It still doesn't feel like we're going, but we are ready. Suitcases are ready. Documentation is everything ready. Our COVID tests came out negatives. That's obviously great. So that means we can obviously enter the country. Christmas tree is up. It is a bit early, but we don't actually land back into the UK till the 8th of December. So we wanted to make sure all the Christmas decorations, everything were up, and they are. So we haven't got to bother with that when we come back. But Emma's currently, she's popped out with her granddad and cousin who are coming with us. So there are 4 of us in total. But yeah, we are just going to go through everything, and then we are going to hit the holiday road to Heathrow, which is going to be an experience because neither of us have flew from Heathrow before, and none of us have flew with BA before, who we're obviously flying with tomorrow. So yeah, it's a surreal feeling, but we are finally going back to Orlando. So our 2021 Disney and Universal adventure starts now, so let's do it. Right guys, holiday road is about to start. Pre-travel day. The 4 of us are ready, the cars are packed. We're on our way down to Heathrow. Stop halfway to have a cheeky Starbucks, one of the services. But yeah, we are ready to go to start our 2021 Disney Universal adventure. So, on to the holiday road.
So, we are currently at Banbury because, of course, Ashley went and forgot his shoes and phoned me and was like, I can't just go in one pair of shoes, and has gone back to get some. So me and Jordan have come to Banbury to wait for them, and we've got a cheeky McDonald's. So we're just waiting for them to let us know when they're coming here, and we'll vlog later.
Obviously halfway through the journey, and we stopped off at a cheeky welcome break to grab the essential that is Starbucks. Obviously unique thing about this service is there's a Starbucks there and there. There's 2, which is strange.
There's actually a drive-through as well. So
yeah,
there's actually 4 Starbucks here. There's a drive-through.
Well, I went to the drive-through, didn't we, to go and get a
Go one there.
Yeah, there's a Starbucks Go, so obviously, yeah, very weird. But yes, halfway stopping off for a coffee. Just deciding what we're going to have now. Gotta love the festive cups this year. Oh, can't go on a pre-travel day without having a Starbucks, can we, dear?
No, usually it's pumpkin spice though.
No, it is weird.
Unfortunately, obviously, due to the pandemic and stuff, we've had to rearrange this holiday about 5 times. But yeah, so now I've got a toffee nut latte instead.
And I went for I wanted a fudge brownie hot chocolate, but they didn't have the stuff for it, so I went for a gingerbread latte. So we've got about, what, 40 miles left?
Yeah, I don't think it'll be long till we're at the hotel now.
No, so
I really don't think it'll be long.
So about halfway there, aren't we? Okay, so as you can tell, it's dark. What a rigmarole we've just had, right? There was major roadworks on the M25, which funnily enough we had to come off to get to Heathrow.
That was ridiculous.
Yeah, and we're staying at the Premier Inn, Bath Road, right next to Purple Park, where we're leaving our cars. The signposting is terrible. It's
really bad.
It's like a one-way street coming there and back. We drove past it twice because we couldn't find it. So
the Premier Inn's type, like the Premier Inn's fine,
really easy.
But to actually get into Purple Parking, there's no sort of. Although it would be logical for the next turning, there's 2 turnings.
It's a very sharp.
And it doesn't say.
But yeah, but we've checked in we've now got on the main road, so you probably hear the cars. That's done. Emma's granddad and cousin are currently waiting for us at the Premier Inn. But we're here, and literally the Premier Inn is just here. So it's pub parking's there, Premier Inn's here, so.
But we're not going to moan because, I mean, although that was a bit of a it was awkward to get to, I'm not going to moan because I'm going on holiday.
Yeah, so, that's true. So we're about to go and check in to the Premier Inn.
Have a look. Wait.
Right guys, so we are in room 1139. Very scary looking hallways here, but yep, 1139. Into the beyond. Oh look, as every travel day starts, Emma is
on the bed.
On the bed, yes. So, yes, we're in the Premier Inn, Bath Road.
Terminal 2 and 3.
So yes, this is the first time we've stayed at Premier Inn going to Florida.
No, we stayed at Premier last time as well.
Oh, yes we did. So, as it is time for one of my legendary room tours, we shall start with the door. Standard hotel door, fire procedures and everything. Air conditioning, which you could probably hear. That will most probably definitely going off. Safe down there, Emma's granddad's suitcase. Some storage there. Up there I'm guessing is spare pillows and duvet set. Here we have tea and coffee making facilities. Well, we've got PG tips there, bit of Kenko. Not bad, not bad. Decent sized mugs. Decently sized kettle. The bathroom. Toilet. There is toilet paper in our toilet. Disgusting. So, and here we have the gentle hand soap. There's me. Hello. We then have shaving plug facilities, shower curtain with a nice curvature. Open this up. Decent sized bathtub. Got a bath mat there. Got the hair and wait for it to focus. Hair and body gel. Yes, the body gel, not body wash. Body gel. Towels, flannel. There is a bin in the bathroom. That's nice. Out into the boudoir. We have the centre console, so we have the nice lights. Area for Emma to do her makeup tomorrow morning. Hair dryer, which I don't believe we've had a hair dryer before, have we? On travel day? That's right. So you got menus there. You got a nice 1980s phone there. Very nice. TV. The chair's in the way, so we're gonna have to move that out of the way. Suitcase, resting facilities. Another mirror there. With me. Hello. Decently sized bed. This Emma is every travel day model in there. Nice little table with certain items on there. Chair. And then the view. Now the view, as you can probably tell already, normally we tend to look outside the building, but actually we are, well, we can't even move out of the way. So the lobby, so you've got time bar just there, check-in was there, I think Costa is there, and the restaurant, we eating in that restaurant up to the left?
No.
No, where are we eating there?
Yeah.
So we're eating at Times Bar shortly. This window can't be opened. No smoking or vaping. Naughty, naughty. One thing that I found quite hilarious actually was on the door here. Please keep this door closed when you use a steam from the bathroom can activate a very sensitive fire alarm. So, yes. So, we are here. The journey wasn't the best. There was a lot of traffic, a lot of roadworks. We left at 1 o'clock this afternoon, and it's taken how long to get here?
Well, we literally walked into
Premier Inn about 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, so it took us 5 hours.
What should have took us about an hour and a half?
An hour and 20 minutes.
Yeah.
It should have took.
It's took us 5 hours, but we're here. We are a little bit.
I think I'm just tired now more than anything. Like my foot hurt towards the end of the driving, but I am not I'm not ungrateful. I don't want to seem ungrateful. Like, I'm really happy I'm here.
Yes.
The traffic was traffic, and that's it.
It's, you know, we're here. So we dropped we dropped the cars off. So the thing is with parking though, once you drop the cars off, you cannot go back to the cars. What we normally do is pre-travel day clothes we'll just stick in the boot of the car, but we're wearing stuff that we're going to wear out in Florida anyway, so obviously we'll wash it when we get to the accommodation. But yeah, so I think we're just going to chillax for what, about 10 minutes, and then we're going to head down for something to eat. So back to the room. Food was okay.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad actually. The food was really nice itself. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was quite busy, so it was quite a bit.
Yeah, it was fairly busy, to be fair. I didn't expect it to be this busy here. I don't know why.
No, considering today it's a Monday, so the Premier is fairly busy. It might be because obviously business flights obviously truckers and stuff like that. So, but yeah, pre-travel day's over. It has been a long day. It might not seem so from this vlog because it's going to be fairly short, but it has been a long day.
It has.
Yeah, so we're going to go to bed now because obviously tomorrow's a big day, flying back to Orlando.
We've got breakfast at 6 AM.
And we've got breakfast at 6 AM because our flight's
it's at 12:05, but so we didn't do the introductions. We'll probably do them like as we get in the vlog, but the two people you saw with us earlier is my granddad and my cousin, and my granddad really, like, he struggles to walk really fast and stuff. He's got a couple of health problems that make him struggle to walk really fast, so I just want to make sure we do everything with plenty of time so he hasn't got to rush around and then like not be able to do it. And
plus, let's be honest, getting to the airport relatively early isn't too bad.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, that's pretty much pre-travel day over and done with, guys. So obviously tomorrow, like I said, tomorrow's a big day. Travel day, back to Orlando after 2 years. Can't believe it's finally here.
Me either.
Still a bit surreal in a way, but yeah. So
exciting.
Very exciting. So we're going to end the vlog here, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah, we'll see you for travel day.